Let's go ahead and go through the process of adding our next column. I'm going to jump back to the mockup. It looks like it's going to be tour type, and it needs to display the tour type as a link. But let's go ahead and do it first as plain text because we're not sure exactly where these links need to go. Okay, I'm going to jump back to the browser. And let's go ahead and go to the field section here and click add again. Okay, let's go ahead and do a search for tour. Okay, that narrowed down our options to a single option, tour type here, which appears in the tour node type. Let's go ahead and check this and click add and configure fields. Now again, we want this to display as it is by default, so we don't really need to change any of the options. We can simply click apply here at the bottom of the settings to add it to our table. I'm going to scroll down so we can look at the preview. And now we see our third column here, tour type, and it's listed. Okay, let's go ahead and do this for the next two columns. Let's go ahead and jump back to the mockup. Okay, the next two columns are guide and location. And while they link to things, let's go ahead and leave these as plain text for now. Okay, I'm going to jump back to the browser. And under fields here, let's go ahead and add a new field. This one is going to be for the guide, so I'm going to type in guide. And sure enough, only one shows up. I'm going to select it and then click add and configure fields. Again, we can go ahead and leave this as it is. We don't need to do any changes at the moment. I'm going to click apply. And then let's go ahead and add one more field. And this is going to be for the location. So I'm going to go ahead and type in location. Okay, we only have one that shows up. Let's go ahead and check this and check add and configure fields. I'm going to go ahead and click apply to use the default settings. Now let's scroll down and look at our preview one more time. Okay, we have all of our fields here. We have our title, date, tour type, guide, and location. So we're getting pretty close here.